Hey everyone, welcome to today's The Steady Trader video. Busy day over here today, but I did want to follow up on something that we touched on yesterday and give you a little more color on how these cash flow trades work, these gap trades. We received a lot of questions yesterday, and I'm going to show you guys two trades that we just did yesterday so you can see how great these work, and a bonus trade actually, so you can see there's other variations of these trades that we can do, because we're seeing so many of our students have such great consistent cash flow. You know, and this is not the kind of trade you're gonna become a gazillionaire overnight. That's not the point, but you're gonna be able to make very steady cash flow through the lens of, you know, a week, a month, a quarter, that kind of thing. So let me just show you a trade that we did yesterday. And that trade yesterday was in ticker symbol C, which is Citigroup. And again, what we're looking at here is a 5-minute chart. And in our scanner that we have, that we use for, that our clients have access to as well, it tells them whether a gap is likely to close or not to close. And so you can see we had a nice up gap take place yesterday morning. So the Citigroup stock closed here at this level around 68.50 or something like that, opened up here, and then once it started to trigger, and I'll show you guys how you can learn about that, it started to fill this gap very quickly. So it's just an absolute beautiful trade, absolute textbook. Another trade that we had take place yesterday, and this is kind of a bonus thing that I'll teach you guys as well, was, I call it the midday reversal. And a lot of people, sometimes people have heard of this trade, but I promise you a lot of people don't do it right because they don't really know what to look for. And so there's some very specific things that happen in about the midday point where they can start getting opportunities in the opposite direction of what happened from the gap fill perspective. So you can see Boeing here, ticker symbol BA, started to fill its gap. Not a very big gap, but nonetheless it did fill the gap, as you can see here. And then beautiful buying opportunity. So like I hinted at yesterday, and we're going to do another bonus session of this, we're seeing so many people succeed this. I really thought I would do another webinar. So we're going to do actually tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern. So that's 7 p.m. New York time, which is 4 p.m. Pacific. And I guess that is I think that's midnight London time. We're going to talk about these gap trades. I'll show you guys all the details, exactly how to enter these trades for maximum cash flow, and I'll also teach you guys this midday reversal trade, which actually is a beautiful trade that works well. We have a lot of European clients that are doing this well. We have a lot of West Coast clients that like to do this trade because of all the different time frames, you know, all the different time zones, and of course, East Coast-based clients like this as well. So make sure you sign up for this webinar. It's a free webinar. It's tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern, again 7 o'clock New York time, and 4 p.m. Pacific time. The link is also, to sign up, is also in the email if you receive this by email. Have a great day, and I hope to see as many as possible in a special webinar tonight. Take care.